Brian Shaw was really confident going into the Leonidas Arcona match until Leonidas said this.
Man, you're too strong. You're just too strong for me.
You're going to give him that.
I don't even know why I
You're
did
gonna
that
give him
match.
that.
You're too strong. Zero chances for me.
Hey, that's all right, man. If you want to think that, that's
I don't even
fine.
know why I took that match.
You can clearly see Brian Shaw's facial expressions change after Leonidas said that Brian is too strong for him. Brian looked a little bit nervous after that. And even before this, Leonidas Arcona's mind games had already started. He didn't show up at some of the East versus West meetings where he was supposed to be. And Brian clearly said in his video that he didn't like that. It's unprofessional from Leonidas. And now he's angry at Leonidas. He's going to show him on the table. He's going to use that as a fuel to beat Leonidas, to teach him a lesson. I think Leonidas already considers this as a victory. He even asked Brian Shaw during the press conference whether he's mad because Leonidas didn't show up on time. And then one of the fans asked Leonidas and Brian whether they would like to arm wrestle Vitaly or Devon or Levan after this match. Kind of weird question. Brian Shaw said that in the future he would like to arm wrestle all three of these guys, and Leonidas said that these guys are really too strong for him.
Yes, who would you pull next? Or maybe you think you can't take any of them, I don't know.
But you mentioned Devin, Laletin, and who else?
LeBon.
To this, Devon replied that now Leonidas has gotten a lot stronger and he could probably beat him. And this is where Leonidas said something interesting once again. He said, you are doing the same thing all over again. The same thing that you did the last time and the same thing that I am doing to Brian Shaw by telling him that he's too strong for me.
That's just the answer is enough.
You're way stronger now, Leonidas.
Yeah, I'm
You
stronger.
are
but
much stronger.
dude,
You would probably,
levels,
you
it's
would
been-
probably beat me now.
Yeah. Come on. You're doing the same thing now. I'm doing to Brian. And I still remember that your mother is from Schwarzwald.
Now he thinks that Leonidas in his heart truly believes that he's too strong for Brian. Both of these said that they are 100% confident in their victory. Leonidas said that he's feeling some pressure, but it is a good kind of pressure. He performs well under it. He is stronger than ever, heavier than ever, and faster than ever. Brian Shaw weighed in at around 404 pounds, Leonidas at 293 pounds. Leonidas also doesn't agree that he has a ton of experience over Brian Shaw. He said Brian has about 2 years arm wrestling experience and he has had a couple of super matches, and he himself has had about 4 years experience and 4 super matches. So the experience gap just isn't there. In fact, Brian Shaw is more experienced because he competes a lot or used to compete a lot. For Leonidas, competition is a new thing. Robert Baxter said that this is a big super match and also a big opportunity for arm wrestling and also other strong athletes from other sports to have an opportunity to have a way to join arm wrestling. My prediction still stays Brian Shaw with a flop press. I think he's going to get this match with a score of 3-1.